Alright, so what we have here is a 2008 Ford Escape. We're going to replace the fan belt, serpentine belt, and all the pulleys, tensioner for this vehicle because it's making a very loud noise now because of the pulley. The bearing is completely gone. So we're going to start the vehicle and you'll hear what it sounds like. So start the vehicle. So as you can see, it's really bad noise because the bearing. So as you hear, the bearing on this pulley is completely gone because it's been running like this for a while. So we're going to replace it along the other pulley here and even the tensioner. So let's do it. Okay, so as you can see, how bad the pulley is. All the pulley is really bad. Even this idler here, tensioner here, and the idler here. So all this pulley are need to be. Wow. Nothing left with the bearing. Bearing is completely gone. Right, so here's our bad parts. Bad tensioner. So here's our new pulleys. So new belt. So here's the piece of the bearing that's broken. It's completely gone. So alright, let's put this in.